Hey, what's going on everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com back today with another cryptocurrency video. Today's video is sponsored by Lunyr, and I'm going to be talking a little bit about their project as well as their token, see what's happening with their recent price action, and what they have in the works for the future. So, a couple of things about the Lunyr token. It's traded on Binance and Bittrex, which is obviously great. Currently sitting at a $62 million market cap. Pretty decent volume. And as for the supply, it's actually really interesting because they have a very short supply, right? If you've been watching my videos, you know that I do actually like cryptocurrencies with small supplies, and Lunyr is one of the smallest that I've actually seen. So just around 2.3 million circulating and 2.7 for the total supply. Now, for the price, currently sitting at $27.36, and let's go over to the platform here, see what Lunyr is all about. So Lunyr is basically trying to kind of be a better Wikipedia on the blockchain, basically, and they have a lot more incentives to make the platform work more efficiently, basically. So they have things like peer approval and peer reviewing. You also are incentivized to actually share knowledge, right, and contribute to the website with articles. And for that, you can claim rewards. So the whole ecosystem is actually rewarded with the Lunyr tokens, right? And I'll go ahead and show you what the platform looks like in just a second, but it's built on the Ethereum network, and it's of course made for reliable and accurate information. Now, going a little bit further here, we can see that it's basically a decentralized knowledge base, and it has different parts to all of it. So basically, free information. That's pretty obvious, right? You don't have to pay anything for this knowledge, and incentivized contribution. This is a big one because obviously, if you're comparing a little bit to Wikipedia, Wikipedia doesn't have that much incentive for people to contribute, right? And here you get the rewards, right? The tokens for sharing your knowledge. So that's definitely a big positive thing right there. And on the other side of things, incentivized peer reviewing. So same thing there, right? You'll also earn rewards for peer reviewing articles and helping the platform be more accurate, more reliable. So what's interesting there as well is on Wikipedia, anyone can pretty much go and put anything there. This kind of prevents that whole situation from happening where you're actually rewarded for checking things out and making sure that everything is okay. On similar lines, censorship resistant, so also a little bit of a decentralization aspect there, and basically resistance to censorship, so no one can come and tamper with the actual truth in the article. Autonomous, no central administrator, once again going kind of towards that decentralized aspect there, and zero downtime since it's on the Ethereum blockchain. So I'm going to talk a little bit about their private alpha and to show you a little bit what their platform is all about, what it looks like. So one thing that I do want to mention is that they have their open beta that's launching on January 30th, 2018. And the great thing with that, and then just with Lunyr in general, is that it's actually a cryptocurrency and a platform with something behind it, right? There's a bunch of cryptocurrencies out there, but how many really have an actual project and an actual working platform to back things up, right? Not very many most of the time. And Lunyr has already a working product, right? Of course, there still needs to be some adoption and stuff like that, but that's the case for most cryptocurrencies. And I think that's very good that they actually have something to show for, right? So there's also a little bit of an advertising aspect on the platform where advertisers can spend the Lunyr token to advertise, once again creating an incentive, right, on really all fronts of the whole ecosystem. So let's go ahead and take a look at what this private alpha looks like. And then just to mention again, the open beta will be on January 30th, 2018. So all these things that they still have in the works could, increase the price in the future. And here you can take a look at what to kind of expect from the platform. Of course, this is just the alpha, but As you can see, here are some articles. I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like, but let's take, for example, this Bitcoin article right here and take a look at kind of what the platform looks like. So as you can see, it's a really sleek design. That's one of the strong suits of Lunyr, actually, is the fact that it looks really professional, right? It's really clean, really great design, and that's something that I can definitely appreciate. So same thing here. You can see how that whole peer reviewing works, and you're obviously rewarded for that. Here you can actually write articles. They made it a really simple format to do that, kind of like WordPress, so not making it complicated at all. And here's their advertising area. So for people who do want to advertise on the platform, there is the possibility for that. And once again, everything is already mapped out. It kind of goes back to what I was saying with the fact that they actually have something that's already built, right? And everything that's getting set up here to really make this work and get adopted and grow into hopefully something that really takes on, right? And I think the potential is there. I think that they're working on something that definitely has a use case, right? Sort of a Wikipedia on the blockchain that's decentralized with better incentives all around. You see Wikipedia always asking for donations and stuff like that, so there's a bit of a sustainability issue there potentially, and Lunyr is trying to solve that problem. So just to get back to the price and talk about the numbers here, obviously very low circulating supply, still a very small market cap cryptocurrency. If we take a look at the ranking, it's currently ranking at the 207th spot. So a lot of room to move up here potentially, and it was doing really well. Obviously, the market took a little bit of a hit here, and all cryptocurrencies dropped, not just Lunyr. So it's not specific to them, but they currently, it looks like they're finding some support on that $26 level, right? Looks like we bounced there, so could be potentially an interesting area to open a position. Of course, that's not financial advice, that's just my opinion, but they are trading on Binance, so if you do want to purchase Lunyr tokens, I do have a Binance referral link in the description. Once again, not financial advice, just my opinion, but it's true that it is sitting on this support level over here at around $26. So that is a pretty interesting area. And with that being said, everyone, this is pretty much the end of my Lunyr review. Definitely go and check it out, take a look, and do your own research. But I think that this is a project that has a lot of potential in 2018. And like I said, some of its strong points are the fact that it actually has something that's built and something that's real already there. That the only thing ahead of it is more growth, right? Improving the platform. It still has a lot of things in the pipeline, of course, and all those things should normally help with the actual increase in price for the actual token. So I'd be interested to hear your thoughts on Lunyr. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments below. But if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day. Just thought I'd throw in a little bonus technical analysis on the Lunyr token against Bitcoin at the end of the video and talk a little bit about what's happening right now. So obviously the market took a bit of a hit here, and a couple points that I want to hold out. It's still holding this this RSI uptrend pretty decently, right? We've got a little bit of a bounce here on that 50 line and on our uptrend line, so that's a good thing. Now, to talk a little bit about what's going on with the price action and some support and resistance levels. So on this drop here, we bounced off the 193,000 Satoshi level right over here, and that's pretty much in line with our current uptrend line. So that's a pretty strong support area, and of course we saw a strong bounce off that. Now, there was of course a lot of candlesticks, right, that put in a nice little base and support level right over here. So I think it'll really help keep the price sustained above that. Obviously anything can happen, but there's a lot of support there, and the fact that it's bouncing here on this uptrend line is also very good. So there is still a bit of a resistance ahead, of course, and we're just going to have to clear through that. But I think that it has a pretty good chance here of holding this uptrend line just because it has a lot of support in this area. And we will have to break through that downtrend line, so hopefully that'll happen pretty soon. The good thing is from there, based on how the run-up of the price happened previously, we don't have that much resistance. We don't have that many resistance levels. So we have a bit of resistance over here at 404,000 Satoshis, and then practically no resistance all the way up to 577,000 Satoshis. And after that, I mean, we're back to the previous all-time highs already. So that's a pretty interesting thing that I wanted to share with you, was the fact that based on how the price has been acting, there's actually not that much resistance ahead. And really right now, the only thing that we want to make sure is that we get out of the short-term downtrend and get back above that middle band. And we can say that it's already trying to do that on the current candlestick, right? So pretty quick attempt at a bounce there. And yeah, I mean, it looks like buyers are holding up these price levels, right? We've got the longer lower wick followed by a doji candlestick. So pretty interesting setup there. Definitely will be interesting to see if we can get that break above the downtrend line. And if you look at the volume, actually, we can see that we obviously had our selling volume, right, for a few days, and now finally some green volume coming in. So could be a little bit of a reversal in play. We'll just have to wait and see, but just wanted to share that with you all as a little bonus at the end of this video, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks again for watching, everyone.